your girl Raquel, and I'm back with another video, y'all. This time it's a new subscription box. This is the Melanin Beat box. This is a box curated by a Black-owned company, and all the products in this box are from Black-owned companies, mostly new companies, or could be some companies that's been out. And I went to their website and I was just kind of reading about it, and they just put all products in here by Black-owned products. You know, just trying to beef up recognition, you know. Most Black-owned companies, not because they're Black-owned, but we fail to even notice or realize or recognize. That's why we end up with a lot of colors of stuff that usually don't match us, but just support everybody. That's what I'm trying to say in a long, drawn out statement. Anyway, back to the conversation. We got the Melanin Beat box, y'all. This box arrived Friday. Yeah, and I said I was going to wait till today to get this up so you guys could see it. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I dropped the card. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a monthly subscription box. Again, I'll put the link down below so y'all can go check it out. Check out the prices. I noticed when I went to the website, it's like 3 different boxes. One box it just has lesser items, I noticed, or you can get the 2 different versions of the Melanin Beat box in one, which I think this is. And yeah, let me quit talking so we can see what's in this box. I know y'all saying, girl, open the box. This is the first month of this box being released, so let's hurry up and get inside of here. On the outside card, it says, taking care of yourself doesn't mean me first. It means me too. I know that's right. And on the other side, it just says self-care and the best is the best care. Self-care and then the best care. And it has the prices of everything that's in the box. Okay, guys. Let's get into this box and see. Everything is packaged so nicely. This is how it's packaged. Let's start with the first thing that I see. What are some earrings? These are nice. Y'all know I always wear my same silver studs. They be dirty. I be rocking them. But these, royalty. I am going to be happy to wear. Those are absolutely gorgeous. They're wood, y'all. And it says these earrings are, let's see. The royalty wood earrings are $9. That's not bad. And they are actually wood. They're not heavy at all. I like these. These are cute. So don't y'all, and they will go exactly good with this hair. Yes, with this hair I'm rocking. And I need to change up sometimes. I know I never take these out, but I will be rocking these. And the next thing I see here, handmade with love, especially for you. That's what's on this. What is it? A reusable? Wait a minute. I don't know. I don't know. I want to open it, but I don't because it's wrapped so cute. I'm just going to unwrap it. Let's see what it is. I don't see it on the list, or I'm just looking over it. Oh, it's a face mask. That's cool. Okay, did I see that? A reusable face mask by TEXASMUMSTAR'S. I cannot say it. TEXASMUMSTAR'S. Here. Can y'all see that? That's who it's by. I got on makeup and I don't want to put it on because I don't want to get it dirty. Oh, I like that. That is so neat. That is so neat. Peace, love, and melanin. That's what it says. That's cute. And it says this face mask is $12. You can wash it. Okay. I'm tripping. I didn't even know what it was. The next thing I see It looks like a lip gloss and a lip gloss and a mascara. Let's see. This is Natural Beats Cosmetics. Okay. Natural Beats Cosmetics lip gloss in Forte, a universal brown, and it's $8. That's what it looks like. Oh, that is pretty. It just disappears. I gotta put this on. Gonna be a pretty brown. That's gonna be a pretty brown. Not too dark, not too light. If I didn't have this color on, it would be just a natural brown, just as it says. Okay, and the mascara is Pulse Beauty Waterproof Mascara, and it's only $6. That's what the packaging looks like. Pulse Beauty. I've never heard of Pulse Beauty, but I'm gonna go check them out. This is the mascara. Yeah, we got some sunlight creeping in, stealing our joy. Let me show y'all what the wand looks like. Oh, that's what the wand looks like. If I come in a little bit. Let me go ahead and use it since I opened it. Oh, it's not messy. I can never do my bottom lashes. That's my test without getting mascara on my face. But since I already have a mascara, I can't really say what it is. But for $6, got it on my hand. So it's pretty black. Okay, it's pretty dark. And it's not real wet. I like that. I like that because hooded eyes, I get mascara everywhere with them. And again, that's from Pulse Beauty. And the lip gloss was from Natural Beat Cosmetics. And I like that lip gloss. That's pretty. Two things got to go with me. Looks like I'm about to leave again, y'all. So let's just hang out and see. Anyway, the next thing I see here, I'm not sure what this is. So let's open it and see. Ooh, Body Cake Sugar Jar. Okay, this is what it looks like. A Body Cake Sugar Jar, Shea Moisture with Argan Oil. What is this? This is by a Handmade All Natural. Oh. Ooh. I can smell the lemon coming out of there. Essential Herbs. That's the company. Body Scrub and a Whip. It's a smooth, dry skin. It soothes dry skin and leave skin silky smooth for hours. Let's get into this, y'all. Let's get into this because I'm digging this little spoon on the side. Oh, that packaging is just so cute. That little bow tie on there right there. I wish I could get into it without disturbing it, but I got to get into this. Okay, guys, I'm in it, and I accidentally broke my little spoon. It was my fault. I used the scissors, and it just cut right through the bottom. But it was cute, and it was to dip into this. It says it's a black sugar scrub jar. To use for exfoliation, apply a small amount to warm, dampen face or body. So it's for your face and body, and massage in. I can smell the lemongrass coming out of here. Out of one of these, the oil or either this. Ooh, it's in here. It's a lemon scrub. Well, it's a body scrub with essential oils. Can y'all see that? That's what it looks like. Let me see. Can I get some of that? Ooh. Oh, yes. This going in my bag for right now use. For right now. Let me open the second one. This is the Shea Moisture, a small amount, a moderate amount to moisten dry skin. It says Shea Moisture whipped with argan oil, lemon and lavender. I knew I was smelling lemon and lavender. And the scrub says it has coconut oil, mango butter, soy wax, jojoba oil, natural clay, essential oils, may also contain elderberries. That's what's in the scrub. Now, for the moisturizer, let's get this plastic off. The moisturizer just says shea butter, mango butter, almond, olive, and argan essential oils. All essential oils. Ooh, that's like a whip. I was expecting a firm, hard moisturizer, but it's really soft. It feels like it's been whipped really good. And the smell is delicious. Ooh. I don't know. I have been so into these essential oil moisturizers. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, what company is this? Handmade and all natural. What company is this? Because this Essential Hers. Essential Hers. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells good and it feels good. Okay, box. All right, Melanin Me Beat Box. I'm feeling you. I am feeling this box. I just hate I accidentally cut my little spoon. It was just plastic. So I popped that plastic off and I broke it. So let's move on. Let's not be too sad about it. The last thing in my, here it is, the bottom of it. That was my spoon before I so mistakenly snapped it. The last thing I see in my box, this box is nice. It's a candle. Okay, I can see this every month. I can see this every month. This says Love Inspired Candle Company. Black Goddess or Sweet Balance Soy Candle. You either got Black Goddess or Sweet Soy. One of the two. Black Goddess or Sea Balance Soy Candle. Perfectly blend, richly scented to enhance any space. This candle is $14. If I didn't tell you, I don't remember if I did. This scrub and this essential, it's moisturized with the essential oils. Both of these were $12. And the candle, Love Inspired Candle Company, is $14. And I got Black Goddess. That's exactly what it's saying. Either you get Sweet Balance or you get Black Goddess. I got Black Goddess, and again, $14. It has vanilla, cocoa, butter, amber, and sandalwood. Ooh, this is going to be amazing. I knew it. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is what it looks like. This smells so good. This smells so good. It looks like, I don't know if y'all can tell, kind of grayish. I can't explain the smell. I cannot explain the smell, but it smells like, if I keep sniffing hard enough, I smell some cherries. I don't know, but this smells so good. Vanilla, cocoa butter, amber, and sandalwood. I don't smell it. I smell like black cherries. It smells like 6, 8, and 12 incense. That's all I can think about. That's how good it smells. And I cannot wait to burn this. Again, this is Love Inspired Candle Company. And I have to go check them out. Yes. Okay, guys, let me stop talking. Again, this is the Melanin Beat Box. Awesome products, y'all. Go check them out. Share them some love, some support. This is their very first box out the gate. And I'm thinking they did pretty good. I'm thinking it's a pretty good box. We all know, oh, this mask got a little pocket on the other side. I guess to make it even a little thicker. Of course, we ain't storing no stuff. But if you're not going to be doing any talking and just to shield your face, that's awesome. I like the earrings. I just got a lot of companies now that I want to go look at. This gloss. I really like the shade of this gloss. What did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. I think it's a pretty good box. I think it's pretty good. I'll put the link below and let you guys go check it out because I got some candles to go burn and some bath water to run. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.